Good morning and welcome to
Woods Miller Channel.
So we're just loading up for our job today. We're back at a client's place. Did a bunch of work at one of his houses. Now we're over at the other one there. And there's a few more trees to get down there. So that's where we're headed today. Hopefully we'll get a couple more down. So we'll get loaded up and get over there and figure out how we're gonna get these things down. And we're off like a herd of turtles. Goodbye home. Okay, so here's the ones we are dealing with today. So this is nasty, long, dead, trembling aspen, leaning right over this little cattle shed here. So it's riddled. I'm surprised it's still standing there. It's completely decayed. Kind of hard to tell with the lighting here, but just, woodpecker holes everywhere. Conchs. Right, just dusted right out. Ooh. She is nasty. And there's like nowhere to drop in here. Hey, big boys, soaking up some sun. Got some big fellas there. So that's the first one. Okay, so I think we got the plan for this tree here. Big fellas, big fellas. Yeah, so that's a nasty shank there, boy. Doesn't look like much on camera here, but she's dirty. So we're gonna get a rope here. I'm just gonna go up on my orchard ladder, set a pulley here. And then we are gonna have the tractor back here. And if there's room, just pull it with the tractor. If not, I got my come along here so we can set that up. But I basically so we're pulling to this tree here, but I'm gonna notch that for here. We want it coming down just on this side of this tree, and we should have room for that here. And as a precautionary measure, we took the hot line off there just in case one of those straggler long branches kind of rolled over and snagged on it. Other than that, I can't see anything getting damaged here, so we should be good. We should be able to just get it right down in here. That's the plan. Okay, so we got our rope on. I'm probably gonna do our cut just a little bit under this crotch, just to buy us a little bit of real estate over here. We got this weight out the back, so I'm gonna keep pretty as thick a hinge on here as possible, because I don't want this thing falling off over here, right? And I gotta be careful, I don't want it going here either. Like literally, we want it right here. That's where it's got to go to kind of not damage anything. So I mean, it's not the end of the world if somehow a board got snagged. Those are easy to replace, but still, you take pride in what you do, and you don't want anything getting hit or damaged. So that's what we're shooting for. Well, we're ready to roll here. Get the tractor up there, get the line all on. Hopefully it's out of the way enough so the tree doesn't snag on it and come down. If I have any choice, it's about as far over as I could get it. So We need it just on the left side of that popper there. Okay, well, there she is. Down with no damage. So that that was a dirty snag there, boy. Holy moly. So okay, here's the next one. So we'll see. I might even just get to the top and just piece it out, but we'll see how skanky it is. It's leaning pretty good there, so see what kind of balance we got up there. Fighting gravity on this one here. Trying to get my picks in good. Okay, well, let's get this one out of the way. A little slippery, this tree. Yeah, I like that. Those footings are good to have. Obviously, if you watch fucking Billy Ray, I'm sure everyone watches him, but he's a big fan of those. I would agree too, right? Like, yeah, there's times they can be in the way, rigging stuff out. You don't want them there, but like he's saying, trees that are leaning and trees that don't really have a lot to offer or very stable footing, they're a good idea to keep them there. So I don't know how far I would go into this, and then to dangle those. So I am gonna probably rope this and cut it out and get it over there. So now I'm gonna get a couple more of these branches off here. We'll see. Just get a little wind drag off, and so I got it roped off and it tied off. Got the fence there, so. Come on, off you go. Okay, well, we got our line way up top there. We're gonna snip the top out about 3/4 up, so somewhere there it is there, yeah. So small top, but yeah, we got our tractor just over yonder, and we'll climb back up and get her cut. Line's good here. Yeah, I'm good with that, eh? Let me see, I'm gonna keep her thick over here. Thanks for checking the vid if you did, and we'll catch you on the next one.